and very cutesy. Sa florist, I don't wear too much makeup. It's only sunscreen. I put some masinjana over the top. Not too much masinjana. Be mindful. Be cutesy. So this mindful florist, I add some masinjana. Leather ferns. Very cutesy. As I've said, I put the leather ferns in the spot. Very demure. Very cutesy. For the customer, very demure. Very mindful of the small details for the customer. Very demure. The customer will love this very demure arrangement. Very cutesy. I said, look how I put the reverbera in the top of the arrangement. Very mindful, very cutesy, very demure. As a florist, very detailed for the customer. Because I'm demure. I am mindful of the wants of the customers. Because they are demure, they are cutesy. I mindfully asked, they like orange roses. They mindfully said yes. I demure put it. Very demure, very mindful. I am mindful of the small details for this arrangement. I am not like the other florists. They are not mindful. They are